If you're a science lover, then you need to know. Sneezing is basically your body's own action movie stunt. No CGI required. When you sneeze, your body blasts air out of your nose at speeds faster than a hurricane, up to 160 kilometers per hour. That's wild. And get this, every sneeze launches around 100,000 microscopic droplets up to 8 meters away. Gross, but impressive, right? Here's the cool part. Your heart doesn't actually stop when you sneeze. That's just a myth. What's really happening is your body is firing off a high-pressure biological explosion to clear out your airways. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, don't hold it in. Let the blast do its job. Gesundheit.